Prior to SmileBuds opening, my orthodontist was Dr. Sia at the previous clinic she was at. My experience with Dr. Sia was so amazing. I remember when I was a patient there that she had mentioned she was planning on opening a clinic with her best friend who was going to be doing pediatric dentistry. It was honestly perfect timing. I think the most important thing was to make sure that Oliver, my son, was going to be comfortable with the dentist. I really wanted his dentist to get to his level, eye level, speak to him, make him feel comfortable, play around with him before immediately putting him in a chair and saying, open your mouth, let's see what's going on in there. With that first interaction, it felt like I had come to see my friends rather than to doctors that were, gonna be treating my son. They played basketball, then they went and looked in the Lego room. They looked at the TVs that they have hanging over the chairs, and he thought that was fascinating. I had braces as a teenager, 16, 17, and I think till 18. As time passed, I created a gap in my teeth and it was starting to bother me. I just didn't want to do the braces thing again. So I went the Invisalign route and I found Dr. Sia through Yelp, and it was the smoothest process I could have possibly asked for. It was, I think, 18 months. There was a lot of pictures and imagery that was provided that I wouldn't necessarily have before. I really wanted to talk about what it was gonna look like once I was done, and she was able to show me a lot of really cool images and renderings of what it would look like. I felt really comfortable with her, so that's kind of what made me stand out and head this way for the pediatric side of things.